بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
قل أوحي إلي أنه استمع نفر من الجن فقالوا إنا سمعنا قرآنا عجبا.
Say you, O beloved, I have received the revelation that some jinn attentively listened to my recitation. So they said, we have heard a wonderful Quran.
يهدي إلى الرشد فآمنا به ولن نشرك بربنا أحدا.
That guides to the path of goodness. We have therefore believed in it, and we shall never ascribe anyone as a partner to our Lord.
وأنه تعالى جد ربنا ما اتخذ صاحبة ولا ولدا.
And this, that the glory of our Lord is most exalted. He has neither taken a wife nor a child for himself.
وأنه كان يقول سفيهنا على الله شططا.
And this, that the foolish amongst us used to say things concerning Allah whilst exceeding the limit.
وأنا ظننا أن لن تقول الإنس والجن على الله كذبا.
And this, that we thought that men and jinn would never fabricate lie against Allah.
وأنه كان رجال من الإنس يعوذون برجال من الجن فزادوهم رهقا.
And this, that some men amongst humans used to take the refuge of some men amongst jinn, so it further increased the arrogance of the community of jinn.
وأنهم ظنوا كما ظننتم أن لن يبعث الله أحدا.
And this, that they assumed, like you assume, that Allah will never send any messenger.
وأنا لمسنا السماء فوجدناها ملئت حرسا شديدا وشهبا.
And this, that we touched the sky, so we found that it was strongly guarded and filled with the blazing shooting stars.
وأنا كنا نقعد منها مقاعد للسمع فمن يستمع الآن يجد له شهابا رصدا.
And this, that previously we sometimes used to sit in some places in the sky to listen, then now whoever tries to listen, he finds a blazing fire ready for him in ambush.
وأنا لا ندري أشر أريد بمن في الأرض أم أراد بهم ربهم رشدا.
And this, that we do not know whether harm is intended for those on the earth or whether their Lord has intended goodness for them.
وأنا منا الصالحون ومنا دون ذلك كنا طرائق قددا.
And this, that amongst us some are virtuous and some are of another type. We are split into several religious sects.
وأنا ظننا أن لن نعجز الله في الأرض ولن نعجزه هربا.
And this, that we became certain that we will not be able to come out of the control of Allah in the earth, nor can we run and escape from His grip.
وأنا لما سمعنا الهدى آمنا به فمن يؤمن بربه فلا يخاف بخسا ولا رهقا.
And this, that when we heard guidance, we believed in it. So whosoever believes in his Lord, he has no fear of any loss in goodness, nor of any increase in evil.
وأنا منا المسلمون ومنا القاسطون فمن أسلم فأولئك تحروا رشدا.
And this, that some amongst us are Muslims and some are transgressors. So those who have accepted Islam, they have sought the way of goodness.
وأما القاسطون فكانوا لجهنم حطبا
And as for the unjust, they are the fuel of hell.
وأن لو استقاموا على الطريقة لأسقيناهم ماء غدقا.
And say, O beloved, that I have received this revelation, that if they, i.e., the people remained upright on the straight path, so we would have definitely given them abundant water.
لنفتنهم فيه ومن يعرض عن ذكر ربه يسلكه عذابا صعدا.
In order to test them with it. And whoever turns his face away from the remembrance of his Lord, He will put him in an intensifying punishment.
وأن المساجد لله فلا تدعوا مع الله أحدا.
And this, that the masajid, mosques, are for only Allah. Therefore do not worship anyone along with Allah.
وأنه لما قام عبد الله يدعوه كادوا يكونون عليه لبدا.
And this, that when Allah's bondsman, i.e., the Prophet Muhammad, stood up to worship him, so the jinn almost crowded upon him in groups upon groups.
قل إنما أدعو ربي ولا أشرك به أحدا.
Say you, O beloved, I worship only my Lord Allah, and I do not ascribe any partner to him.
قل إني لا أملك لكم ضرا ولا رشدا.
Say you, O beloved, I am not the owner of any harm or benefit for you on my own accord.
قل إني لن يجيرني من الله أحد ولن أجد من دونه ملتحدا.
Say you, O beloved, no one will ever protect me from the punishment of Allah, nor will I find refuge except in Him.
إلا بلاغا من الله ورسالاته ومن يعص الله ورسوله فإن له نار جهنم خالدين فيها أبدا.
I only convey the commands of Allah and His messages, and whoever disobeys the command of Allah and His messenger, so indeed for him is the fire of hell, in which they will remain forever and ever.
حتى إذا رأوا ما يوعدون فسيعلمون من أضعف ناصرا وأقل عددا.
Until the time when they will see what they are promised, i.e., the punishment. So they will now come to know whose helper is weak and who is lesser in terms of number.
قل إن أدري أقريب ما توعدون أم يجعل له ربي أمدا.
Say you, O beloved, I do not know on my own accord whether what you are promised is nearby, or that my Lord will postpone it for a while.
عالم الغيب فلا يظهر على غيبه أحدا.
Allah is the knower of the unseen. He does not completely inform His exclusive knowledge of the unseen to anyone.
إلا من ارتضى من رسول فإنه يسلك من بين يديه ومن خلفه رصدا.
Except some of which to His chosen messengers, that He appoints defense in front and behind them.
ليعلم أن قد أبلغوا رسالات ربهم وأحاط بما لديهم وأحصى كل شيء عددا.
In order to see that they have conveyed the messages of their Lord, and His knowledge encompasses all of whatever they have, and He has kept count of all things.
صدق الله العظيم.